going to create this stunning 3D style animation inside DaVinci Resolve. We're doing this entirely in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right in. Go to the Fusion composition in DaVinci Resolve. I use this website to generate AI images. Now, type your prompt to create an image similar to the reference. Once the image is generated, download it and drag it into the Fusion composition. I use ChatGPT to generate prompts for AI images. To use a prompt, simply copy it and create an image. To refine the image, remove the background using a background removal tool. After that, download the processed image. Now, go to this website for object removal. Select the image, draw over the object you want to remove, and process it. Once done, download the edited image and drag it into Fusion. Press F2 to rename the node and set it as BG. Select the BG node, then add an image plane 3D, a camera 3D, and a renderer 3D. Connect the renderer 3D to Media Out. Drag Merge 3D into the first window. Select Camera 3D and set the focal length to 50. Adjust the background by selecting the blue axis and moving it away from the camera. Go to Pixelmen and upload the background removed image of a person. Drag it into Fusion and rename the node to Man. Add an image plane 3D and connect it to Merge 3D. Adjust its Z position using the blue arrow. Scale the background image to fit the screen properly. Generate another AI image in ChatGPT and create a new image in Pixelmen. Remove the background and download the processed image. Drag it into Fusion, rename it Soldier, and add an image plane 3D. Connect it to Merge 3D and repeat the same adjustments as before. Generate another AI image in ChatGPT. But this time, do not remove the background. Drag the image into Fusion and rename the node Businessman. Add a polygon mask node, toggle it off, and start masking the object. Once masking is done, toggle it back on to activate the mask. Search for a sky video on Google. Go to Pixabay, download the video, and drag it into Fusion Composition. Rename it Sky and add an image plane 3D node. Connect it to the Merge 3D node. Select the BG image plane 3D, then press Ctrl+C to copy the node. Delete the Sky image plane 3D node. Select the Sky node and press Ctrl+V to paste the copied image plane 3D node. Connect it to the Merge 3D node. Now, click the red arrow and drag it to the left. This helps position the background image and Sky video correctly, side by side. Select the Soldier 1 image plane 3D and position it accordingly. Repeat this process for all other PNG images. Adjust the camera 3D to check the overall composition. Now, select the Man image plane 3D and move it closer to the background so it fits naturally into the scene. Select the Businessman node, add an image plane 3D, and connect it to Merge 3D. Move this image plane 3D closer to the backgrounds. This will act as the screen divider. Check if the edges of the screen are visible and adjust as needed. Select the Camera 3D node. Go to Transform and double-click on X and Z to reset the camera to its starting position. Camera animation will be added later. Select the BG node and add a background node. Connect the background node. This will automatically create a merge node. While selecting the background node, add a rectangle node and connect it to the blue arrow. I don't like how this looks, so I'll delete the background and rectangle nodes and replace them with a text node. Connect the text node to the merge node. Drag Merge 1 to the first window for a better view. Select the text node and type your desired text. Change the font to your preference. Go to Shading and add a red outline like this. Add a black shadow for more depth. Adjust the outline color to match the scene. Change the shadow color for a better effect. Select the text node and add a soft glow node. Decrease the gain to blend it naturally. Finally, change the text color to yellow for better visibility. Select the Camera 3D node. Keyframe X, Y, and Z at frame 50. Drag the camera closer to the man, adjusting it for a natural transition. Select the Text 1 node. Adjust the space between two words for better readability. Go to Spline. Select Camera 3D and click Select All. Press S to smooth the motion. Press T, then set the ease in to around 45.4 for a buttery smooth transition. At frame 100, drag the camera to the second scene. Adjust the soldiers as needed for the scene composition. Go to Spline, select Camera 3D and only check X offset. Select the last two keyframes, press S to smooth. Press T, then adjust ease in for a natural motion. Select Camera 3D, go to Keyframe Editor. Click the arrow to expand options. At frame 74, adjust the keyframe line as needed. Modify keyframes anytime for a better look. Adjust the camera zoom for the second scene. Go to Spline, check only Z offset. Select the last keyframe. Press S to smooth it. Increase the ease in value for a better transition. Select the Render 3D node. Add a soft glow node and decrease the gain for a subtle effect. Add a color corrector node after soft glow. Adjust colors to enhance the scene. Be creative and trust your eyes. Reduce the space in the text for better alignment. Increase text size if needed for better visibility. At frame 67, the divider is out of the scene. Adjust it back. At frame 56, fix the same issue by dragging the divider closer to the background. Check for alignment and ensure the scene looks great. Drag Merge 3D to the first window for a better view. Select Camera 3D, go to Keyframe Editor and fine-tune the timing and keyframes as needed. Select the Man Image Plane 3D node. Go to Transform and move the Man node closer to the background. Increase the scale to match the perspective.